flags staked in a stone pathway lead the way to the Sparro Apartments in Tucson, Arizona. The open floor plan and large windows in the residences allow for a light and airy environment. Prevalent in this furnished model home is wood-inspired flooring and round light fixtures embedded in the ceiling. The walls are painted a pale green hue. In a convex corner is situated a built-in fireplace and mantle. The community amenities include a 24-hour fitness center stocked with lifting equipment, cardio machines, and free weights. Outside the center is a swimming pool and whirlpool lined by tangerine patio umbrellas and lounge chairs. In an L-shaped covered area are sofas and ottomans upholstered in a matching tangerine hue. The nearby palm trees enhance the ambience. Stepping into another furnished model home, off of the living area is a sliding glass door that opens to a patio or balcony. A second such door is off of the dining area. The adjacent kitchen features stainless steel appliances, stone blue cabinetry, and white countertops. The bedrooms are furnished with a combination ceiling fan and light fixture, taupe carpeting, and walk-in closets with shelving on 3 walls. The bathroom vanity features under-sink cabinetry. Above the framed mirror is a light fixture. In the laundry closet is a washer and dryer pair. Above the appliances is a built-in shelf. A laundry room features stainless steel appliances and a full-size ironing board, hooks on the wall, and a portable bench. An electric car filling station is situated on the premises. Car parking is abundant. From a bird's eye view, the rooftops are stucco. In the distance is a mountain range.